Tập đoàn VGE chúng tôi muốn đầu tư một cái nhà máy điển hình tại thành phố Bảo Lộc với công nghệ tiên tiến, xứng tầm với các nhà máy ở trên thế giới.
Rabbit is considered a waste product and costs a lot of money for correct disposal of because of difficulty with disposal people dispose of in such a manner they contribute to pollution of environment. This is an image of Bảo Lộc province a couple of years ago with full of garbage. This pollution affects the health of living things. The local people are very unhappy with this situation and desire for a more unpolluted environment. Due to the need for clean, unpolluted environment, VGE Green Environment Investment Transport Company has commenced a recycle factory located at Đại Lào World, Bảo Lộc Province on September 2015. Using advanced modern technology by a great team of creative engineers, the Scientific Council of Professors at famous universities in Vietnam participated in the assessment and determined that this technology is suitable for Vietnam and allow it to put into use. It is known that the areas was handed over by the provincial people committee is in a difficult position. However, after a period of environment, the areas have become more convenient for transportation of rabbit. Bảo Lộc is known as a rugged area, a lot of heavy rain every year. However, with the topography most of the mountain, many trees, so the safety for the factories is always guaranteed. The factory also has natural lakes in order to sell and supply water from waterfall to factory. Water treatment system follows exactly the standard of measurement system. During 2017, the factory treated more than 24,000 tons of old rabbit that existed at Bảo Lộc for many years ago and produced 1,000 tons of new rabbits per day, which helped to reduce the amount of rabbits in Bảo Lộc. Rabbits will be collected and taken to recycle plants where it is incinerated and separated into organic humus and microbial fertilizer. Currently, we have invested about 24.62 ha according to Bảo Lộc province plans. We have invested in infrastructure and current waste treatment line with a capacity of 120 tons per day. On rabbits in Bảo Lộc is treated by burning not buried. Using truly burning treatment, we also produce compost and utilized coal slag to produce plastics granules. In addition, we are planning to invest new technology to convert from the purpose of rabbit disposal purely to the purpose of treating rabbit to produce the more electricity. We invest an incinerator with capacity 500 tons per day. Make sure we can get it burned on the rabbits all over the city. The outstanding technology that we are applying is the non-burial and non-waste water treatment technology. The successful application of this new technology will bring many benefits to people in cleaning the living environment. Applying this new technology, we really want to build up a symbol for rubbish disposal progress and then can extend to all over our country. People Committee of Lâm Đồng Province approves our plan on establishing rubbish disposal factory at Đại Lào War on the purpose of rubbish disposal with capacity 200 tons per day. We would like to show you our factory. At the moment, most of rubbish disposal factories in Vietnam do not sort the rubbish out as source. So our big difference here is we can slow it by using a new technology to eliminate, sort out and recycle before has compost. After gardening to the yard, rubbish will be sent to the odor separation system by motor vehicle and then put into centrifugal system to tear up and moisture separated as well. After that, they will be sent to get nylon separated. Then, for all solid, non-recyclable semiconductor, it will be rather into an incinerator. Composting processing, and this is the incubation process in order to recover the organic reduce that have been filtered. We will put it in the compost with a temperating process for 25 days to produce pure organic humus. Once organic humus decomposes, we will pass through the separation system by volume. By way to fully recover the amounts of humus, waste that cannot be used will continue to be pushed into an incinerator. Incinerator for domestic waste. This is an incinerator. At the primary chamber, the temperature is always above 650 degrees. The secondary chamber always ensures that the temperature is above 950 degrees. In accordance with the standard in Regulation 61 of Ministry of Natural Resources. This is the plastic recycling process that we are urgently installing to put into operation. Medical waste incinerator burning materials is an oasis with a temperature always above 2000 degrees. Heat tricks smoke discharge to environments in accordance with standard 32 of Regulation of Medical Waste Incinerator Department of Natural Resources. This is an area to treat leachers, have been used with a capacity of 16 cubic meters per day. After recycling, it will be put into cooling system to serve to the incinerator, not to release into the environment. From 2018 up to now, the factory has treated total amount from 100 to 120 tons of rubbish, on street 20 to 25 tons of organic humus every day. The special point here is our factory treated by truly burning technology and separated organic humus as microbial fertilizer. We absolutely not bury to avoid affecting to consequences for future generations. In the past, they had to use mainly workers from 200 to 300 workers for processing, but now, by applying advanced technology, everything has been reduced, especially the amount of workers.
Một ca của tôi 6 người làm việc 8 tiếng.
Chúng tôi vận hành nhà máy này bằng thiết bị chứ không dùng bằng chân tay ạ. Nên chúng tôi không tiếp xúc trực tiếp với nguồn rác thải.
We have a big team with good skill and experiences workers that help the factory to not only achieve the big step in industry but also bring a new clean environment for local people.